Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to save Instagram story on phone. If you want to save anyone's Instagram story on your phone, so just follow these steps. First, open your Instagram app and here just select the person which story you want to save. As I am going to save this one, so just tap on it and then tap on share, and here you just have to tap on copy link, and then the link of this story will be copied to your clipboard. Now go back and here just open your browser, and in browser you just have to search for a website which is Save Insta. Just search for it and then open the website. Here you just have to paste the copied link, and after that just tap on download. And now you just have to skip the ad and you can see you are ready to download the story of the person. Just tap on download video, and after that your story will be successfully downloaded on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.